Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing only the clips you'll actually use so editing stays fast. Select New Project, pick Footage, then immediately trim each clip to the usable portion. This reduces timeline clutter and speeds rendering. Once done, arrange clips in story order and remove any duplicates. Make sure to mute or lower original audio on B-roll to avoid clashes. These first cleanup steps help you focus on timing and pacing rather than fiddling with excess footage later. Now you refine clips, scrub the timeline and use split at rhythm points so cuts feel intentional. After splitting, use ripple delete to remove gaps and keep sync. When adding transitions, choose short durations for fast pacing and longer ones for mood. You can set exact seconds. Once transitions are set, apply a filter or LUT and reduce intensity to keep natural tones. Also, keyframe scale and position for simple motion. This creates polish without complex software. Finish by balancing audio. Raise primary voice and lower music using the audio mixer. Enable ducking to automate this when voice is detected. Check color quickly and add a final sharpening or vignette if needed. When exporting, pick resolution and frame rate that match your target platform to avoid scaling artifacts. If you see glitches or blockiness, re-import the original clip and try a lower export bitrate or a different codec. This often resolves compression issues with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.